Now I invite Dr. Soumik Ghosh for conducting the cardiology quiz. For the first time we are conducting the cardiology quiz. The winner of the cardiology quiz will be given, first winner will be given the 7,000, and second will be 5,000, and third will be given 3,000. So now over to Soumik Ghosh.
The cash price has decreased because the participants has decreased. Yeah. So I think there are only 4 participants that I have with me. They are all second year residents of IMS BHU Department of Cardiology. I think they have the papers ready with them. It is an MCQ based quiz. So I have 15 questions for them. Each question you will get 20 seconds, all of a total. In 20 seconds, if they have the chat GPT help, they can phone a friend, they can call anyone. Within 20 seconds per question. हाँ इधर आ जाओ, चारों इधर नहीं, वो सर थोड़ा सा दूर बैठेंगे तो कॉपी नहीं होगा ना, इधर उधर देख लेंगे, थोड़ा दूर दूर ही बैठो, ABCD कोई भी कॉपी कर लेगा, ऐसा बैठो कि एटलीस्ट क्वेश्चन देख पाओ तुरंत. Okay, let's start on the timer. This is your first question. Second question. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. No. सिर्फ नॉलेज नहीं, रीडिंग स्किल्स भी है इसमें. All topics are covered. $15. नहीं. Last. Collect the. I would like to request 4 faculties among yourselves to correct them. The answers are in the next slide. दे दीजिए. अगर टाई होता है, those who have attempted more wrong question will be at a disadvantage. नेगेटिव नहीं कर रहा हूं ना. Only 3 prizes. One will be deprived. No, if there is a tie, and then I will first consider those who have given the maximum number of wrong question. He will be out. If the wrong question also is equal, then there will be splitting of the prize. They may be that someone has not be able to give the answer and correct time. Longer question. Alok Singh sir to declare the winners. नहीं, just winners के नाम.
नंबर नहीं बताऊंगा, बीएचयू की प्रतिष्ठा के खिलाफ है, क्योंकि कॉलेज हमारा ही है, तो इसलिए हम बताएंगे नहीं. द फर्स्ट रैंक इज डॉक्टर अर्जुन टंडन. As I promised, he will be given 7,000. Dr. Vikas Agrawal, HOD Cardiology, and Dr. AK Singh sir. सर्टिफिकेट है, इसमें नाम लिख लेना, मार्कर से भी नाम लिख देंगे. डॉक्टर मनीष कुमार, सेकेंड रैंक. लिफाफा में कैश मनी है. Third is Dr. Mohan. मार्कर से नाम लिखता है. हाँ, मार्कर है तो अपना नाम स्पेलिंग लिख. थैंक यू सर. So the Heart India conclave, this was 10th year. So any conference does not succeed without the help of the volunteers. And from this year we have started a few new awards, and one community social award. From this year we have started, and for the first time Heart India is giving this community award for social services to Dr. Sipradhar. She is a renowned social worker, and she does not charge, she is a gynecologist, and she does not charge any money when female child born. I think approximately more than 300 female delivery have been done by her, and 636, sorry, and she has been recognized by Government of India. She is a member of National Commission for Women. So I request two leading ophthalmologists, Dr. Rupali Agarwal and Dr. Anmula Singh, for giving. Oh. मैडम कुछ बोलिए तो सब, बाकी लोग तो कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट ही थे, आप बोलिए।
सभी को वंदे मातरम। सबसे पहले तो हम धन्यवाद देना चाहेंगे हार्ट इंडिया का, और उसके बाद डॉक्टर आलोक का, जिन्होंने हमको इस लायक समझा, और आप सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। ये एक्चुअली अवार्ड तो हमको मिला है, लेकिन हम हमेशा ये कहते हैं, और सही बात है, ये जो सोच है हमारी कि बिटिया के जन्म पे कोई पैसा ना लेना, ये सोच एक्चुअली डॉक्टर मनोज M.K. श्रीवास्तव जी की है। क्योंकि जब भी बिटिया होती थी तो बहुत अजीब सा माहौल हो जाता था हॉस्पिटल में, तो हमको लगता था कि क्या करें। तो हमने डॉक्टर साहब से बस ऐसे ही पूछा कि डॉक्टर साहब, जब बिटिया होती है तो कुछ ऐसा करना चाहते हैं कि उन पेरेंट्स के भी चेहरे पे खुशी हो जैसे बेटे वालों के चेहरे पे होती है। तो डॉक्टर साहब ने एक शब्द में कहा कि ऐसा अगर उनको खुशी देना चाहती हो तो उनसे किसी प्रकार का कोई डिलीवरी चार्ज मत लो। शुरू में तो हमको लगा कि कैसे होगा, भी वो था प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिशनर और हम पैसा ही नहीं लेंगे तो फिर हमारा काम कैसे चलेगा। लेकिन डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा इसके अलावा और कोई तरीका नहीं है उनको खुश करने का। देन वी स्टार्टेड आवर जर्नी सिंस 25th July 2014 and till date we have delivered 636 such girls in our hospital। और आप सभी के आशीर्वाद से, ईश्वर के आशीर्वाद से सब चीज़ें ठीक चल रही है। और हम तो अपनी ओर से फिर से एक बार डॉक्टर मनोज को ही धन्यवाद देना चाहेंगे, और थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Dr. Manoj Srivastava sir and Dr. A.K. Singh sir, please come on the dais for giving the Volunteer Appreciation Award. I will like to call Mr. Najmuddin, and I am able to do this program because of his unconditional support. And initial few years I used to tell him what to do, what not to do, but now I tend to tell him the date is this, and every design whatever you see, it is his creation. And even I don't see one day before what he does, I find it is useful. So that is the faith I have on him. Now I invite Mr. Subhash Singh, please come on the desk. Whatever food you eat, it is because of him. Please come on the desk and take the award. The delicious food which you are taking for last 10 years, it is because of him. And he is my younger brother also. Now I invite Sarath Pathak, who is co-worker with me. He is also with me for last 10 years. And all the kit, whatever we do, he is his effort. Ghanshyam is here? Yes. Ghanshyam? Now the next volunteer appreciation award to Mr. Avnish Yadav, who is working with me for last 14 years. He is very intelligent and very diligent worker both. And I used to tell him what to do and he simply does it. Yes, sir. Next is Mr. Ghanshyam. Whatever travel arrangement of the conference and stay he look after, and because of him next बार देंगे ना, सबको एक ही बार थोड़ी दे देंगे, ठीक है. Thank you all. So I think this is the 10th year Heart India Conclave came to an end, and I will like to thank all of you for attending this conference, and because of support of all of you, even pharma industry, those who listen to us, sponsor us, because of which we are able to continue for this long 10 years. I hope next will be the 11th year we will come in the same October or November month with some new beginning, which I have already discussed in the morning. We have started Heart India Research Chair and Heart India Yearbook and Heart India Social Chair. There will be some new activities for the next year. So thank you all for coming and spending your time. Now the dinner is ready and take dinner. We will meet again after 1 year. Thank you all.